All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about X content type options. So if I click on that, we have the X content type options response HTTP header is a marker used by the server to indicate the MIME types advertised in the content type headers. Should not be changed and fouled. This is a way to opt out of MIME type sniffing, or in other words, to say that the MIME types are deliberately configured. The header was introduced by Microsoft in IE8 as a way for webmasters to block content sniffing that was happening and could transform non-executable MIME types into an executable MIME types. Since then, other browsers have introduced it, even if their MIME sniffing algorithms were less aggressive. Starting with Firefox 72, the opting out of MIME sniffing is also applied to top-level documents. If a content type is provided, this can also cause HTML web pages to be downloaded instead of being rendered when they're served with an MIME type other than text and HTML. Make sure to set both headers correctly. I'll give you a great example of this. When I was first learning PHP, I wanted to display it on a web page. Now, what I didn't understand at the time was you need to have a server running because it's a back-end language. It runs through a server, and the server can read the document and then display it in the web browser. Okay, but I didn't understand that. So what I did is I opened up a PHP file without a host. So without a cloud-based web hosting provider or without a local web host. And what happened is what they just said here. This can cause HTML web pages to be downloaded instead of being rendered. Well, with a PHP file, guarantee you it will be downloaded. It will never be rendered with this. So there you go. So that's X content type options. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.